You're back from the road in this 2009 home and have over 1,350 square feet of living space. You have a full acre of land, a drilled well, and private septic. There are cornfields surrounding the property. Have morning coffee, snuggle up with a good book, or just enjoy the bird sounds. The kitchen appliances stay with the home. Who wants to be isolated in the kitchen during meal prep? Never would happen here. Great gathering space in the living room. The master suite is at one end of the home, and the other 2 bedrooms and full bath are at the other end. All 3 bedrooms have walk-in closets. There's added privacy when the foliage is in full bloom. There's abundant outdoor recreation in the area. One bonus is this 18-mile trail for walking, biking, snowmobiling, ATVing. It's really a gift. And if you like to fish, some of the best bass fishing in the East is in the Androscoggin River, which runs through Livermore Falls, and also in this nearby pond, Turner Pond, there's bass as well. What a convenience to park inside. This home is so conveniently located in a central location to Lewiston, Auburn, Augusta, and Farmington for hospitals, dining, shopping, entertainment. Just a great location. Come take a look.